Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to talk about my vegan hair care routine with you guys. It was kind of hard to find in the beginning, but once I got it and I haven't switched from it since. So I'm really excited to show you. It's a very simple routine and it gives you really shiny, beautiful hair. And that's something that I definitely look for because I like to damage my hair a lot, obviously. I dye it often, except for my top layer. But even then, it's helped my bleach hair return to a pretty solid, healthy state so that I can continue bleaching it and doing whatever I want to with it. Let's go ahead and just jump into this video and learn about my vegan hair care routine. Shampoo. The shampoo I use is the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Fortifying Shampoo with aloe extract in it. At first, I was really hesitant with this shampoo just because I've tried some like Pureology, an argan oil one, and just a few different shampoos and conditioners. Every time I have ended up just disliking them to the max. So I found this at Target. This bottle was literally like $5. That's how much I spent on it. I used the Target app and the wheel thing, so if you guys know what I'm talking about, you know. But this whole thing was like $5 and it lasts me, I think, for like 2 or 3 months. What I liked about it is that it almost felt like regular shampoo, where it lathers really nicely. It doesn't feel like it leaves any residue on your hair, and it just felt like a normal shampoo. So that was really nice, and it smells pretty decent, so that's great. When I first used it, I loved all those qualities about it, so I was definitely intrigued to continue using the conditioner. The conditioner is the exact same thing. It is the Pure Clean conditioner, and this stuff is so nice. And again, this bottle is ginormous. This is the 33.8 ounce, and this too was only like $5. I could run my fingers through my hair. It didn't leave any tangles. I could use a pretty decent amount because buying like vegan-based shampoos, they tend to give you such a dinky amount for you to do your hair. My hair's already short, so imagine someone with a long amount of hair. That's just crazy to me for the amount of money you spend. This conditioner was great because it felt just like any normal conditioner. It leaves my hair so silky soft and smooth and detangled. Once I used that conditioner, I was sold. I was so happy because I finally found something that made me feel like it was like my normal shampoo and conditioner without having any residue, smell, using a tiny amount, or any of those negatives. So I was very happy to find this shampoo and conditioner and that it worked for me. Definitely try the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean line. I loved it. I have not moved from it and I don't want to go back to anything else. That's how much I really like it. While also in the shower, I have 2 different types of hair conditioner masks that I like to leave on. One is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask, and this is the papaya extract. This too, I feel like I could only find at Target these days, but I love this stuff. I think it's really great, especially with it being like a 1-minute hair mask. I don't want to spend any extra time than I have to in the shower, so I just leave that on for a minute and boom, my hair's got a nice mask onto it, or a leave-in conditioner. With this, you can actually use it 3 ways. You can use it as a mask, as a conditioner, or as a leave-in. I tend to like to use this as an extra conditioner while I'm in the shower, so once I take my first conditioner off, I'll put that on for about a minute and then I will rinse it off. I have used it as a mask before actually, and I used it when it was my most damaged bleach hair and it was just falling out. Like, I was scared at that point, and I used that stuff as a leave-in conditioner overnight and it did wonders. That was one of the only things that I felt like actually put the moisture back in my hair and was like one of the only things that kept my hair from falling out. I love that mask conditioner treatment. I love this product so much because I feel like it's helped me through so many scenarios in my life when I've had so much damaged hair and the type of damaged hair I've had. So I love that stuff very much. That's one conditioner that I kind of like to use on top of my normal hair routine. The other is also by Garnier. I should be sponsored today. I don't know what's going on, but it's the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner Cream. I feel like they rebranded this design. Okay, baby, thank you. I feel like they changed the bottle because before I thought it was a little different, so I don't know if anybody else remembers, but I have used this before and I love it. So I like to interswitch with leave-in conditioners just to have more benefits from each one. So this helps frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair, which mine tends to get sometimes. You can only see like a little bit, but mine definitely gets that way. So I like to use this conditioner every once in a while. The last hair mask type thing that I will talk about out is the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. This is supposed to repair and strengthen all hair types. My friend had actually mentioned that it was vegan, but I didn't remember, but it actually is vegan, so that's great. It is a small amount though. That was a one-time use. So I'll probably get like, I don't know, 4 uses out of this thing for the price. I'm not sure if it's completely worth it, but people swear by it. This is actually just a bond builder. You're not even supposed to leave it in your hair unless you're in the shower. You use it before shampooing and then you shampoo and conditioner. This is something that I wanted to mention as well because I've heard beautiful things about this. It's just the last time that I used it, I feel like other products worked more, but honorable mention. That kind of completes the inside of the shower routine. Once I'm finished with all that and get out, I like to put my hair in a towel, let that sit while I put on a robe, put on clothes, whatever, get ready. Once that hair is ready to be messed with, I go in with my Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Detangler. I think this is so necessary, especially when you have damaged hair, because you need something to help detangle that hair so it doesn't get caught in knots and you're just kind of ripping your hair out of your skull when you go to brush it. So I like this stuff a lot. It looks kind of creamy, but it sprays on so light. It feels just like a mist. But I've had no issues with it. I just love it because, again, it goes along with the shampoo and conditioner. So it's just a great line altogether. An extra tip, if you guys want to handle your hair with care, is to use a wet brush. It kind of looks like this, and using it, I've noticed that it really helps detangle that hair, or at least do it smoothly and a lot more gentle than a regular brush. So I've actually just stopped using a regular brush altogether and continue using my wet brush, and I do think that it's helped keep my hair in a healthy state. You can find them on Amazon for really cheap, or you can go to Walmart, Target. I think you can find them anywhere now, so they're really accessible, and I think they're actually really great to invest in. The last thing I will mention when it comes to my vegan hair care routine is definitely one of my favorite. I've talked about it in a video before, which I will link up above. It is the Revlon One Step hair blow dryer. I love this thing like crazy. What I like to do is I will leave my hair wrapped in a towel for about 40 minutes, and I will just go about my morning. I will go eat breakfast. I will take care of the kids, whatever it may be. I will go about 30 to 40 minutes, so that way my hair can dry under the towel. So you should have your hair about 80% dry when you use the One Step. That way you use less heat and therefore less damage. I will put my One Step on low, and then once it's on low, I go ahead and blow dry my whole head. Sometimes I do sections, sometimes I don't. It depends on what I'm feeling like. And what I love about this altogether is that it's low heat and you style and dry your hair at the same time. So I feel like this cuts out a lot of added steps that I don't necessarily need for my day. So that way I can just go out the quickest, the fastest, and my hair looks pretty decent. I will say I feel like I've definitely seen a shine booster when using the One Step. If you guys were ever wondering if you should invest in the Revlon One Step, I freaking love it. And I do have relatively short hair. Like, my hair has grown out a ton, but like I said, if you guys watch my other video, I've had pretty short hair with it, and I think it's worked great both ways. So I definitely recommend the One Step. I love it. It is so good. So that's the end to my vegan hair care routine. It's pretty simple. I kind of used like all one brand today without even realizing it. I do love the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean line. I think it's great. I think it's the best out of all the ones that I've used. I was so happy when I found this line. So I wanted to bring it out to you guys to tell you my experience with it. And if you guys are looking for a vegan hair care routine, this is definitely it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this journey along with me. Make sure to go hit that like button, and while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. I will be bringing you guys all kinds of vegan videos when it comes to makeup, beauty, hair, etc. I'm so excited to share so much with you. I will see you in my next video. Bye!